Hey everyone, John Chow here from johnchow.com, and welcome to Driving with John Chow, and off the screen, Sally Chow. You can't see her, but you except for her hand, she's there. Yeah, but we have just finished the .com lunch, and right now we are on our way home. Well, actually, no, we're not on our way home. We are going to go to Ralph to pick up some soft drink, root beer in this case, because I'm running low. I need to restock the fridge with root beer. Yeah, and then after we get home, we're going to play some ping pong and continue on the daddy-daughter weekend now, I suppose. Yeah, daddy-daughter week. Yeah. And a little interesting thing I want to share with you. First of all, I finally had, I guess you might call it, my first maintenance on this Tesla. That's right, I had to change the tires. After driving this car for 20,000 miles, I needed to change the tires, and all four of them, it cost me $1,000 to replace the tire. So that is the first maintenance bill. Now, some would say changing tire is not part of maintenance, but in the case of a Tesla, I guess there is no maintenance. That's the thing. See, this car has no maintenance schedule. There is no oil changes. There's no filter changes. The engine is completely sealed and ready to go 1,000,000 miles before its first major service. And this car has no maintenance schedule. In fact, so far, since I had this car, my service and maintenance bill prior to changing all four tires has been zero. And I was hoping that I would be able to return this car back to Tesla with a zero bill. And that would have been real cool, but had to change the tire, but oh well. So basically, if you're looking for a car that has really, really low maintenance, I'm talking like virtually zero maintenance costs, right here, Tesla, no maintenance like at all. I mean, it's awesome. There's only 18 moving parts in this car, total. So basically, there's only 18 things for it to, wear out, tires being one of them. But other than that, everything else is solid state. A typical normal ICE vehicle has over 2,000 moving parts. So lots of maintenance, lots of stuff wearing out, needing replacement or needing service. So this is why you drive a regular car. My Jaguar, by the time I returned it, I owe $2,000 of maintenance before I returned it, not including changing any tires. My Mercedes, same thing. The Tesla, like I said, if you don't count tires, Tesla, zero maintenance bill so far is zero. That's why the Model 3 is so important for Tesla, because it's going to revolutionize the entire transportation industry. Can you imagine a $35,000 car that anyone can afford that has virtually zero maintenance or 10x less than a normal ICE vehicle and has the performance of a sports car? I mean, it's over. It's over. Anyway, to my main topic, my internet marketing topic, and this is this. I've been getting a whole bunch of email, and the people are asking me, and the reason they're asking me this question is because of what I call the lottery mentality, and that's going to be the theme of this little talk here. The lottery mentality, and why you need to just get rid of that mentality, because it's going to keep you down, and you're not going to succeed as long as you have this mentality. Basically, it goes like this. The emails I've been getting are from people asking me, hey, is $49 all I have to spend to make money? Or once I buy this, I make money, right? Or yeah, that's what I mean. So basically what they're asking me is like, in order for me to make money online, all I have to do is buy this product and then money comes in. No, that's not what happened, because they're coming from the lottery mentality. Right? They figured I'm gonna go, I buy a lottery ticket, I win, I become rich. This is not a lottery. This is an internet business. Keyword being business, all right? So business, you look at any business, and lately I've been talking about, like how do real business survive? Real business survive on repeat customer. Real business survive on people buying from you over and over again. Real businesses are ongoing. Real businesses are not, you buy a lottery ticket and you win and then that's it. But yet, for some reason, when people look at internet marketing, blogging, making money online, they have this crazy lottery mentality that all they have to do is just either buy the product, set up the blog, or set up the landing page, and then money magically comes in. Would that happen with a regular business? You set up a Subway, you build it, you set up the sign, and then what's that? Customer magically walk in for the door, and then you start making money? No. You still got to promote it. You still got to run it. You still gotta pay your business license. You gotta pay the employees. You got all these ongoing running costs of regular business. Guess what? An internet business, it's the same thing. I mean, I'm always shocked by people asking me like, what other cost do I have after paying you the $49? It's not like asking like, after I start my McDonald's franchise, or after I open my bricks and mortar business, what do I have any other costs? I don't have any other costs, right? Like lottery mentality. Lottery mentality and business mind do not mix. You cannot build a business with a lottery mentality. I mean, it's really that simple. So if you're looking at internet marketing, you're looking at blogging, vlogging, you're looking at making money from any of this, realize that this is a business. Businesses are ongoing. They have ongoing maintenance, they have ongoing costs. Now, the advantage of an internet business is the ongoing costs and the startup costs are significantly less than a regular bricks and mortars business. Like if you want to start a Subway, it's going to cost you over $300,000. You want to start a McDonald's, it's going to cost you like $3 million. You want to start an internet business, you can start it for a couple of hundred. And your ongoing cost is, well, you know, web hosting, email list hosting, maybe lead pages or ClickFunnels. But you have ongoing costs, but it's nowhere near the potential tens of thousands per month you will be paying that if you have a regular bricks and mortars business. So, but realize that you do have costs. It's not zero. It's not like, pay me the $49 for 21 step and you become rich. Not gonna happen. Not gonna happen. You will have additional costs, yes, and you will have to keep running it because this is a real business. Get the lottery mentality out of your head, become business mentality. All right, then that is the theme of this talk. And I said, it happens all the time. I get so many emails about this, and no matter how often I talk about this and tell people this, I still get the same email. Is this all I have to pay? That's it? I get money, right? Answer is no. All right, and it doesn't matter how many times I repeat this, people are still gonna ask me the same question because lottery mentality. Lottery mentality. Get that out of your head. Business minded. All right, this is a business. Become business minded, and you will do much, much better once you eliminate the lottery mentality from your head. Hope that helps you guys. Thank you very much. Welcome your feedback. Leave it down below. Like and share my videos. Subscribe to my channel. And Sally and I will see you guys on the next episode.